Hey, Pony Diamond here. So this is the follow-up how I make my YouTube videos part 2. So hit me up on Instagram. You have any good ideas? Pony Diamond 3000. Takes a lot of effort, man, to make these videos. I think it's kind of fun to share that with you guys. Anyway, you like Lamborghinis? Hit subscribe. If you like supercars, hit subscribe. And if you like super trucks, hit subscribe. And of course, if you like in entrepreneurship, mentorship type stuff, hit me up on Instagram. Hit subscribe. The whole damn way. Well, there it is. Oh, Red Bull. Diamond Beast. She's waiting. It's pretty cool, guys. Then I come over here and take a little break. See, you gotta stand all that driving and all that drama that I showed you guys. That was all work. This is taking a break right here. The wet. Damn it, I was about not to put this on video, but you know what? Fuck it, man. If you under 18, do not smoke cigarettes. Cigarettes are bad for you. Until you can pay your own bills and actually pay for your own living and expenses, and you have to bother your parents. Do whatever you want. Do it. Well, time to get back to work. Oh, hi. Back to Diamond Beast. Well, this is work, guys. Back to work.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. We'll chase the night, erase all of these broken dreams and flight, and we'll
guys, and you know what? With all that bullshit, sometimes you get to do this. But here's the thing, part of the fun of making videos, despite that there's a lot of preparation, a lot of tedious work, and attention to detail, you get to look cool. Like right now, sitting at the red light. guys, so that will conclude this video of how I make my YouTube videos, part 2. I gotta say that, you know what? It's a lot of work, man. A lot of fun, but a lot of work. It's no bullshit, you know what I mean? So look, man, at the end of the day, it's all about having fun. I'm learning on a job, if you want to know the truth. You know, I taught myself all this stuff, all the editing work, and all kind of stuff, and you can do it too, man. So if you want to start your own YouTube channel, hit me up, Instagram. If you have any good ideas on the videos, video ideas, hit me up on Instagram, Pony Diamond 3000, and you know, just message me and I'll hit you back. Anyway, so with that, if you love Lamborghinis, hit subscribe. If you like supercars, hit subscribe. If you like super trucks, hit subscribe. And if you love entrepreneurship mentoring, hit subscribe.